Hi everyone, here we will see the Electrical Machines Lab 2 Experiment 5. Conduct a suitable test to draw the equivalent circuit of single phase induction motor and determine performance parameters. Aim: draw the equivalent circuit of the single phase induction motor by conducting A. No load test, B. Blocked rotor test. Operators required. The following operators are required to conduct the experiment. The operators range, type, quantity is mentioned in table. So this is the experiment circuit diagram for no load test. So this is the experiment circuit diagram for blocked rotor test. Procedure for open circuit test. Connections are made as shown in circuit diagram. Keep the single phase auto transformer voltage in zero output position. The supply switch S1 is closed. By varying the single phase auto transformer, the rated voltage of single phase induction motor is applied. All the meters readings are noted down. Stop the motor. The single phase auto transformer is brought back to its initial zero output position. The supply switch S1 is opened. So this is the procedure for open circuit test and procedure for block rotor test. Connections are made as shown in the circuit diagram. The breakdown of the induction motor is blocked from rotation by tightening the belt. By keeping the single phase auto transformer voltage in zero output position, the supply switch S1 is closed. By operating the single phase auto transformer very slowly, the low voltage is applied such that the rated current of the induction motor flows in the stator winding. All the meter readings are noted down in tabular column. To stop the motor, the single phase auto transformer is brought back to its initial zero output position. Loosening the belts of the breakdown, then open the switch S1. Open the supply switch S1. So this is the procedure of this experiment. Now we will see the experiment demonstration. The main supply. First we will conduct the no load test. So in no load test, set the rated voltage by using single phase auto transformer. So rated voltage we can check the voltmeter. So we need to set the 230 volts in the voltmeter. Note down the current and wattmeter readings in tabular column. So this is our no load readings, voltage, current, wattmeter. Next, calculate the equivalent parameters: resistance, reactance, impedance of the circuit. Now bring back the auto transformer to zero position. Switch off the main supply. Now we will demonstrate the block rotor test on single phase induction motor. So in this test we should block the motor by using this weight belt. Next, switch on the main supply. So in this block rotor test, so adjust the auto transformer up to rated current. So rated current of the induction motor is 7.6. So here, so adjust this one auto transformer. Set this current 7.6 amperes and note down the wattmeter and voltmeter reading in block rotor test tabular column. Voltage, current and power. Similarly, calculate the EF1 RWIF and draw the equivalent circuit of the induction motor. So bring back the R transformer to 0 position, release the load on the induction motor and switch off the main supply. So this is the demonstration of the experiment. Next, tabular column. Open circuit test. So readings are already we have seen in the video demonstration, and the short circuit test readings mentioned in the tabular column. Next, we have to find out the values according to the equivalent circuit of induction motor. So it is for mentioned no load and block rotor test. Result of the experiment. Hence, determine the equivalent circuit diagram of single phase induction motor by OC and block rotor tests. So these are the expected Viva questions from this experiment. Prepare the answers for these questions. Thank you everyone. Thank you.